Hi everyone, I'm Guorange. Before we dive into practical content, let me share a little about who I am and why I'm here. My family has always focused on domestic business in China. When I first stepped into overseas market, it did take courage. But I've already started walking this path step by step. Now, my goal is simple, to go further and build something lasting. The reason I chose to share on TikTok and also on YouTube is because these platforms naturally bring together people with similar interests and ambitions. That makes them the perfect place to connect, exchange ideas, and grow together. Along the way, I've been working with three areas of business, and I mention them here not as a sales pitch, but simply because if you happen to need these resources, you will know you can always reach out to me. A sheet metal stamping factory, where we welcome drawings for quotation, an auto service equipment line, well liner, tire changers, balancers, and lifts, supplied through wholesale and OEM, and a home appliance line, including mini portable fireplaces, mini fans, small air conditioners, and more, also available for wholesale and OEM. So while the future scale is unknown, the path forward is clear, and I'm fully committed to take it further. What I want to share here is not just about factories or products. It's about what I learn every day, in business, in people, and in life. Because foreign trade is more than transaction. It's broaden our perspective, sharpen our thinking, and help us see the world differently. For me, business is not only about cooperation. It's also about finding like-minded partners, building trust, and even creating friendships. I truly believe that good characters creates good business, and good business forms a healthy cycle for everyone involved. Of course, people will have different opinions, and that's perfectly fine. I only hope the space stay kind, encouraging, and open for learning. And if there's anything you'd like to understand or discuss, feel free to drop in the comments or send me a message. Let's explore the answers together. Wherever you are in foreign trade, beginner or veteran, I'm glad we met here. Let's grow, connect, and move forward. I'm Guorange, Real Factory Real Talk. Follow me and let's build something smart together.
They'll never be alone.